So you think the game now, due to technology, has it opened the market for people, but then it complicated for anybody who wants to do it. You know what I mean? Like just anybody that's amateur that want to get into it and do it. It's just a lot more work now.
it is if you want to do it at scale. But if you're casual like I am,
Yeah.
I don't buy it. Like I get shoes manually. There's
Right.
ways to, like, as long as like you know, like, you still keep your ear to like what's going on in the
Mm.
sneaker community. Like, you can enter a raffle here and there.
Mm.
You could open up sneakers on Saturday morning
Mm.
and then just try your luck and just,
So
you know.
yeah. So long story short, pretty much, no matter if you're using technology or you know what I mean, or your network, just what I'm hearing from you is like do it because you love it.
Definitely.
Right.
If you don't, like, there was this one time where 2 years ago, a year ago,
Mm-hmm.
I was liquidating a lot of my shoes at one time. So, I'm willing to, give up some margin to let go of some stuff because I needed the money for something else.
Right.
There was this guy, a reseller. I didn't know if he was a reseller or not, but I was inside of a small Facebook community for sneakers in the Atlanta community.
Mm-hmm.
And I told him, hey, you can get all these shoes for what I paid for them, retail.
Right.
And you can make, if you want to keep them, you can keep them. He was getting a great deal. I just wanted the space in my storage bag, and I wanted some quick money. So I was giving up. I was zeroing it out.
Wow.
I had worth the shoes already. It's whatever, as long as I get my money back, cool. And I told him, okay, you're getting these, but so it was like a bunch of hyped up Yeezys and then 2 pair of Jordans that were a little older.
Okay.
He had no idea what they were. They were like, they were Jordans that were pretty like, they were just, the fact that they released earlier,
right?
You could just tell that he wasn't like, he had no idea what he was doing.
Wow.
He came into the game late. He's into like all the hype stuff, so all the Yeezys, because Yeezys are new. Like, the Yeezys only been out for like 5 years.
Yeah, they knew. Yeah.
But he had no idea what the Jordans were. He asked me, he's like, "What are those? Like, can you give me the name?" Because he had no idea how to look them up. He didn't know the name of them, the color, what the colorway style was.
Wow.
And like that at that moment, I really realized like he's probably not gonna like do well long term because he's looking at like, okay, well, everybody's buying Yeezys. Let me just buy it. Let me take these Yeezys because he's selling them to me at retail.
Yeah.
And yeah, he would have made his money back, but I could have been giving him like some crappy Jordans. He didn't know. And you could just tell that like he wasn't.
But he just bought everything.
He did buy everything.
Wow. Okay.
I gave him a great price.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you don't love it, like if you're not in tune with like the sneaker culture and whatnot, then you're probably not gonna survive.
Okay.
Because yeah, you don't want to pick up something that's like not a good cop, or you think something like what you think is hot isn't necessarily hot. But once you're in it and you kind of like you've experienced some years into it, like okay, this silhouette performs well. This colorway, it's an original colorway,
right? Like
it's tied to this specific moment in time. Like those things help. But when you're not into it and you're just looking at them, like if you're wearing like if you're wearing Walmart shoes every day and then like you're trying to buy up all these hyped shoes, then I don't know. I can't see that playing out well long term for you.
Right. Okay. Yeah. All right, guys. This is how we do it. This is today at RecTech. We got Cabell. You know what I mean? Sneakerhead. You know what I mean? We're gonna drop his information in below. Like and subscribe. Let us know if you you want to see more of this content, and this is how it rolls. We're out. Appreciate you coming through, boss.
Thank you guys for having me.
Yep.